Welcome to the True Fitness Service and Documentation YouTube channel. This video is part of a series on the Unite touchscreen console. In this video, we are going to walk you through the process of adding screensaver and facility images to your True Fitness Unite console to customize your console to help promote specials, events, or endorse your brand. To get started, press and hold the True logo on the top left of the screen until a keypad appears. Type in the appropriate code to take you into maintenance mode. Once there, touch the Setup tab. First, we will show you how to add a screensaver. Touch the screensaver option. You will see the on-screen instructions telling you to create a folder on your USB thumb drive titled Screensaver. Please note, Screensaver has a space between the words and is case sensitive. You can upload JPEG and PNG image files or MP4 or WMV video files to the console for use as a custom screensaver. Suggested images sizes are 1920 by 1080 pixels. Screensaver time. Dim display time and sleep timer backlight off options are available as well. Once you have selected your desired screensaver, you can touch the Save tab, exit the Setup wizard, and remove the flash drive. The process is similar for uploading facility images. From the Setup menu, touch the Facility Images tab. This time, the on-screen instructions tell you to create a folder on your USB thumb drive titled Facility with a lowercase f. Be sure to check the Select All Image and the Enable Facility Image boxes. Any JPEG in the Facility folder can be uploaded. Once you have selected your desired facility image or images, you can touch the Save tab, exit the Setup wizard, and remove the flash drive. It's really that simple. Once installed, users can access the facility images by going through the Media tab during a workout and clicking on the Facility Image tab. If you have multiple images, they will rotate through on the screen during the workout. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out and subscribe to the True Fitness Service and Documentation channel for more video setup and support tutorials.